Hey, welcome back guys. In today's tutorial, we will be working on charts in Power Apps, and it will be more like getting data in charts by filtering from start date and end date. I'll show you the start date and end date. It will be the register date for the sales amount of specific city. So we are using this register date as a start date and end date. I'll show you how it works, the chart. This is only the line chart. We will be working on pie chart and column chart as well because the coding will be the same. So I'll show you this, then we will start with the implementation, and also I'll show you the list as well. So talking about this, if you'll see here, we have data already visible here, which is from the 30 days, previous 30 days. So if you'll see, we have the 1st of August till 31st of August data. So right now, if you can see, the Mumbai has total of 1019875 and Delhi have this much. And when I go here, when I change it to July, the data will be 1043 and Delhi will have some, different data. If I go here, if I select 20, Delhi may not have any data, but Mumbai have it, Bangalore and everything have it. If I go back, if I select from June, for Delhi again, I don't have any data. For Bangalore, I have. If I go back, if I select from May, so I have the data for Delhi, Mumbai and everything right now. Same way I can go back here. I can come to August and I can select here 30 and I can say, okay, now I'll get the data accordingly. So this is how it will be. That is what we are going to do. And talking about the SharePoint list, we have the list. The title will be as it is. We have the city, which is of choice column type. If I go here, if I edit this, you can see the property. It is city, it is of choice, and it will be of drop down type. It won't allow multiple selection, and this is how it will be. Can cancel it. Now sales amount will be of number type, I guess. Yeah, it is of number type. You can see this. Same way you can create for yourself. Then we have the register date. It will be of date type. Yeah, you can see here it is of date type, date and time, and include time. We won't need any time, so I'm just, I just say no for that, and this is how it will be. And this, and that is what we are going to create in this tutorial. Right? This chart, first line chart, then pie chart and column chart. So first we will start with line chart, then we'll start with the pie and column. Also guys, I would like to tell you, I have already created some tutorials on charts already. If you haven't watched that, I'll recommend you to watch that as well, where I have explained the sum, count and percentage in chart. I'll give the link in the description so you can watch that. What I'll do, I'll close this. And also guys, I would like to inform you, we are not performing delegation in this. It is just that if you are using 500 data, something like that, you can use this chart, but I'm not performing delegation. Maybe in future I'll perform the delegation, how to create the components in charts and all those things I'll create in future. So what I'll do, I will close this also. And what I will do, I will open this and I will start with make.powerapp. Go to the apps. To start with page design, blank canvas app. So here I will give this name, charts filtering. Okay, and I will save this app as well, charts filter by dates. Okay, I'll save it. So here what we will do, we will add the line chart. We have the line chart. I will expand this, expand this also, and here I have the legend, so I will push it down, and here I will push it below, so you can get the legend. Now go here, click on line chart and push it above this or above more, and again select line chart and push it above this, right? You can push it here as well. Yeah, so that's it. Now what we have to do, we have to add the data source for the library in our app. So here it will be SharePoint city sales connect. Now that we are done with this, what we have to do, we have to add the start date and end date as well. So here I will just, just do it like this. And so here I will just, it is okay, I guess, but can push it down a bit and it will go a bit more down. Yeah. And now here I will add the date picker. First we'll add the text label. This will be start date, right? And we will add the date picker here, date picker, right? This will be today's date minus 30. So we will get the 1st of August, which is 30 days back from today's date. We'll add the end date as well. Now text label, end date, and here add the date picker, and this will be today's date only. Now we are done with this. Now we have to write the code on the on start of our app. So here I will start with the collection. So clear collect, call city, filter by registration date. We are done with this. I'll add the comma and for all, round bracket open close. Inside our for all, I will add the distinct, round bracket open close, city sales, comma city dot value, comma curly bracket open close, and I will add the format text, and I will expand this. You can see it will look better. We are formatting the text so it will be readable for you. Right now we have the city here, city, because we have to get the city data. We will add the city and double quotes, we'll add the round bracket because we have to get the sum inside the round bracket only. So here I will have that, and text, round bracket open close. Inside our text I will have the sum, and inside sum we will have the filter, round bracket open close. Inside filter we will have the city sales, comma city dot value is equal to value and registration register date. We have it here. What I'll do, I will save this for now because we haven't give the name for this, for the start and end date. I'll give that right now. So let's go This was our date picker start date, so this will be dp start date, this will be dp end date. Again on start, so we have the register date greater than equals dp start date dot selected date and end register smaller than equal to dp end date dot selected date, right? I'll format this. Now our closing of filter, I'll add the comma, and here we will add the sales amount. Right now we have got the delegation warning, but again, as I said, we are not concerned about delegation right now. Now we have closing of filter here, we have closing of sum here, we have closing of text here, and after this we have to close this. So I will add the ampersand double quotes closing of our round bracket, comma, it will be total sales, will have the sum, and it will be same as the filter. So what I will do, I will get the sum here. Where is the closing of sum? Here, we'll get it and I will paste it here. Now as you can see, we don't have any error, it is just the delegation warning we have. The highlighted part will not work correctly for the last data set we are getting, because it may happen that it will reach more than 500 data. Like in the list there might be more than 500 data, but right now it is not more than 500 data, it is less than 100 data only, so it is good. Now we have done with this. What I will do, I will get this and I will go to the line chart. I will go to the, there's a line chart, right? Go to the items and I will paste it here, right? We won't get anything right now. For the legends also, we'll go here and I will paste it here, right? We won't get anything again. What I will do, I will save it and we will be back and we will check if it is working or not. I will go back and I will be back again. I will edit this. So now you can see we are getting the chart for the last 30 days. What I will do, I will go and I will push it here and we have to get the legends back down here, right? Also you can push it above so you'll have the chart little bigger, right? And push it above. Now what we will do, we will give some font size for this. This will be 18. We will have it we'll have this as 15, right? And we can remove the chart title, we don't need it. So this is how it will be if I run it. So this is how it will look. We have the chart, we have the legends here, we have the total of last 30 days. So this is how it will be. Right now we don't have the functionality where we can choose the date and we can choose the date and the data will be available here, like charts will be available here. We don't have that functionality right now, so we have to build that functionality. So what we have to do, I will close this. We have to go to our on change, right? We have to go to our on change, and here instead of false, we have to add the same code. Even if we add the same code, it will work exactly same. What I will do, where we have added this, I will copy it and I will go to the end date and I will paste it here. And same way, I'll go to the start date. I'll paste it here. I'll save it. Now if I run it and if I select something from July and if I say OK, see, I've got the data from the July. What I'll do, I'll go here and if I select August, I've got the data from the 2nd of July till 1st of August. If I go back and if I select May and if I say OK, I'll get the data accordingly. So this is how it will be. So guys, we are done with the line chart. It is up to you. If you want to skip it, you can skip it. You can work on pie and column chart by yourself because the code and everything will be exactly the same. You don't have to watch it. You can go ahead. Thank you. But if you get any error or anything, you can come back and you can watch it. So I'm just working on pie and column chart right now. What I will do, again, I will go back here. Now I will add the screen here. This will be the blank screen and I will give it a name as chart filtering pie chart. I'll add the pie chart. Right? Just get the name from here and just go to the items and paste it here. So you have got the data, right? And here also you can go to the legend and you can add it in the item. So this is the way where you can get the data. But the issue with this is the register data we are getting here, it is from the start date and end date. So accordingly, you have to add it there as well, right? So what you can do now is just expand this. Font size will be again 18. And here the font size will be 15. Delete this. Now that we are done with this, what I will do again, same way, I will get this. I will copy and I will just paste it here, right? And we will give this another name. So end date will be end date pie chart, and here again we will have the end date, start date, sorry, pie chart, right? So you have wrote the on start here, right? On start, same way you can create another collection. Just get the same code, add it here, right? This will be pie chart, right? And here it will be pie chart, start date, dp, pie chart, end date. So this is how it will be. Same way Just get this and copy and paste it here. Now if I go here, if I select this, right now we are getting the data from the July or some May, I guess, but we have to get the data from the last 30 days. We are having the calendar where we have selected the last 30 days, but the data is not the last 30 days data. So what we have to do again, if we go here in the pie chart items, I will add it like this. We won't be able to see anything right now. We'll add the items here and I will save it. If I come back again, I'll leave it and I'll come back. If you go here now, you can see we are getting the last 30 days data. Same, you will be able to see the total or the sum for line chart also will be the same and pie chart will be the same. Right now we are not having the aesthetic, the color for our chart. So what I'll do, I have some color combination. You can add that. You can get this and just go to your charts. Instead of item, go to the item color set and add this. Right now we haven't wrote the code for our on change of start and end date. We have to write that, but as you know, we have to write the same code. So go to the on start and we will have the pie chart. Just copy it and just go here and on change, just paste it, because we have copy pasted the control from our previous screen. It will be all same, but you can replace it. Let's go here and paste it. So we have changed the on change of our this button and on change of our this end button, both start and end button, right? Now if I go here, if I save it and if I run it, if I select something from way back, if I say okay, you can see the data is like this. If I go here, if I select something from July and if I say okay, you can see we don't have Delhi, Bangalore, we just have Chennai or Mumbai. I can go back, I can select something for here, I can select something from April maybe. We'll have something like this. The Bangalore is more, the Mumbai is less, so it will be like that. We are done with pie chart as well. The last one will be column chart. Again, if you don't want to watch it, you can skip it from here, and if you get any error, you can come back and you can watch it from this part. So here, what I will do, again same way, go to the screen, create the blank screen, give this a name as chart filtering column chart, and here I will add the column chart. And now what we have to do is we have to delete the title. I'll delete the title now. And same way, whatever we have added here, right? Just copy this, copy it, and paste it here. We have the start date, end date, and everything selected. Now what I will do, the same way we have wrote the collection, just get it, and same way on the on start of our app, paste it. and give this as a name as column chart, right? And get this. But before that also we have to change the name of our controls, right? Because we have copy pasted. So column chart, right? And again it will be column chart. Legend we will take bit below here, and column chart will take it above our legend, right? I will give this as a 15 sorry 18 font size, and for this will be, it will be how much, it will be 15, right? Now we have got the start date, end date, and everything. Again we have to go to our app where we have copy pasted for the column chart from the pie chart only. Just remove this dp end date, sorry, start date, column chart, dp end date, column chart. It will be all same. Just copy it and paste it here. Just save it. Now we are done with this. What we have to do again, we are just closing everything together right now. Go to the start date, and on the on change of this, just copy that what we have created for the column chart. This one, oh, I guess we have copy pasted everything. We don't need that. We again have to go to our app on start. The third collection that we have wrote, we have to copy that, and we have to just go here and we have to paste it here, right? Same way, just copy it and paste it for the end. Save it. Now we are done with everything, though we haven't added the collection in our chart, so we have to do that. So get the collection name and go to the items. Oh, we haven't selected, I guess. Items, and add it here, and same way add for the legends also. Just add it here and save it. Now it has been saved. What I'll do, I'll come back, I'll go back and I'll check again, because we have wrote everything on the app on start and it is already loaded, so we won't be able to see anything. If I edit this now, I'll go back to the last screen, and here I've got the Mumbai everything, which is same as the pie chart, which we have it here. Same way, whatever you have added for the color, you can add it for the column chart also. Go here, go to the item color set, add it, have the bit of gap as well, like have a gap. And now when we run it, this is how it will be. We can go ahead, we can select start date from some another date. Same way we can go ahead, we can select some another date. I guess it won't load. Here we will come, we won't have Delhi and Bangalore. If I go back from May and if I select, I'll get the data like this, and this is how our pie chart will look. And then we will have the line chart, and this is how it will be. Everything works fine. All the charts, it is working fine. We are not perform delegation right now, that we will do in future. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you really did, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another video on charts like this. Thank you and bye.